boat ramp bloke in the car park at, some of you will recognise, Manly. Alright, big car park. Yep, lots of trailer boat parking. This is all trailer boat parking where all these single cars are parked. Us boaties know that's the norm, isn't it? Oh well, you get that. So I was a little bit confused because the markings down there on the entryway, the roadway, are not very clear. So anyway, just turn in and drive, you'll be fine, the way I see it. And here it's also your rigging, de-rigging area, prepping, de-prepping. Been a lot of years since I've been down here. But it's good. It's a good ramp. It's useful. Again, I'm here on the low tide. I like coming to boat ramps on the low tide because you can see how easy or difficult they're going to be, eh? Alright, so you got 4 ramps, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, divided by the floating pontoon, of course. And a nice visible sign there, must be for drunk people, 10 metres to end of ramp. Actually, I know why that's there. It's useful, isn't it? When the water's a bit murky sometimes, you just don't know. Anyway, here we go. And straight out through to the islands once you've launched and safely parked up. And if you're a member of the Manly Boat Club there, you've got your own private boat ramp over there. I'm not a member, so I'm not going to go and assess it for you. But if you do become a member, you want to invite me, I'll come and visit. All right. Thanks, blokes. Take it easy. And boat ramp bloke out. Bye.